Hi guys, today we're gonna play survival games, of course, in a lifeboat, LBSG, of course, and also I have make my own skin. I make my own skin. Look, so as you see, I'm gold, like a gold mode, but this is my skin. But in recent league skin is black hair, and some in progress stuff, so I'll use this skin of mine. So I have two skin, this and the normal one. So yeah, we're gonna play. So we're playing only three of us, so that's good, so that I can kill this VIP Allen and this Jess 121. Oh, they're so small. Yeah, I love it. It's so easy to kill people, so that I can win. 30 seconds. No, Allen, no, 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 no. Okay. Girls, two girls. Yep. So I'm gonna kill the PvP first. The chest is over there, so many. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, okay. Okay, boots. Okay, okay, okay. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, red. Okay. Let me change it. It's a tank though, so I'm gonna leave. Fuck you. Fuck you all. Fuck you. Fuck you guys, I'm leaving. Fuck you guys, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Fuck you guys. I'm saying language. No. Saying. Okay. Here's a strategy things I want to do. Oh, can I climb? No, I cannot. I can't climb. Damn it. I can't climb. No. I know those guys are team. That's not unfair. It's unfair, guys. It's unfair. You see me? I'm lonely here. Oh, I can make sure. No. Throw away. Enchanted book. That's so weird. There's someone coming. I know it. Oh no. Two of them. Why? Why two of them? She want to chase me. Really bad. No. So this is my exit. Okay. There's me. Taming is a bad idea, you fuckers. I got 4 players remaining. Who's the one? What? Guys, it's unfair. Haha. Guys, it's unfair. It's unfair. Haha. Okay. Okay. For the backup. Yes, it's funny. Yeah, he won. He's running as shit. Yeah, come on. Two of them is unfair. Yep, two of them is unfair though. Yep, they're chasing me while I'm jukes them. Yes, eat. Finally, I'm running. All this time, they're having win. Jesus, me fair dude. This dude. What are you doing, donkey? I'm not donkey. There one. Yes. Fudge. Oh, just crafting table. Lucky. Okay. I'm ready. What? Oh, I'm lagging. Ah, fudge. What? Oh no. Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, eat. That's not fair. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. The most intense battle ever. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Eating. I'm hungry. What? It's not food. Oh my god. My god. Okay. Now, you wanna fight now? Your friend is not here now. Not immortal. Just kidding. I'm not immortal though. Maybe I'm not immortal. So that I didn't go back. No. Just stick in there. Stick in one. No. There's no chest. There's a chest here. Please. Oh yes. Yes. Give me that. Yes. Finally. I can craft a diamond. Yeah, guess 1, 2, 1. Great, no stick. There's stick here. Hey, come on. There's no stick. What the? Damn it. Now, shut up. Sophie. You guys dead because when I get this. Now I'm going back home. Sick of running. Your friend is dead though. It's alright. It's okay. Okay, there's a chest I found chest. 1 minute. God. Why I do not eat? Look. Okay. Wow, only ladders I can climb. I can climb, guys. I can't. This is exactly the worst. This is the worst. What if I go back home? Of course. There's. Stop. Okay, chest. Of course, nothing. No stick. It's so easy to find stick when you play survival games, but these Hunger Games or survival hard to find. Where I am. Finally, I can battle someone. Oh. Sorry. Oh. Finally, I'm one. Finally! I'm winner. I'm eating this pork chop for my victory. Woo, yeah! What now? Okay. Yeah. That's it's intense, but I'm shaking. My hand is shaking really. It's intense to play Hunger Games while I'm sitting down watching movie. Just kidding. So anyway, guys. This is. So anyway, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe for my video. Subscribe to my channel. And for more videos, like and comments, suggestions that I want to play this Minecraft games or Android game. I am a worse. The dog is barking. Okay. The dog is barking because it's the end of the video. So see ya, guys, and thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy my easy playground game.